Hi creators, I'm Tanguy. I'm here to show you my submission for the Meta Horizon Open Champion competition. So here is my scene of example of my assets because I was more able to do customizable assets. As you can see, it's a spin wheel, fortune wheel. You can call it whatever you want, but yeah, it's good for a randomization system. Um, as you can see, you can write down some information on it, make it turn by a trigger button or just by the UI with a button in the middle of it. And you will have for each time, if you need it, a feedback in the middle. So it can be used as like this a sort of passive interaction. So you just spin the wheel, there is a result, and you let the player uh, use it on their own, and there is no interaction with your scripts. Or you can also, and we will see this later, um, connect it to your script. So as you can see, a few examples, you can have a sort of, I called it die system, like you will have a number between 1 and 10, and you want also to have randomization, quick randomization system. Maybe turn it like a gambling one, so people will bet like it will go on the red or the dark pattern, and they will win or lose with that. Or you can use it like this, and as you can see, it's customizable to be like just the arrow that is turning instead of the wheel. So in this example, it just show like, okay, I have a battle system, a co-op system, survival system. Maybe you have multiple game mode into your um, map and game, so you want it to make it randomized. You also have here a few examples of fortune wheels, like you will have some rewards with it. As you can see, the text system is also customizable, so you can have multiple way to display it really easily. Here is the first example, like having a wheel with a cost system. So the cost is sending like a request into your scripts, and then you can add your own logic within your own scripts. But yeah, it sends the 100 coins, and then you can do pretty much what you want. So what I did here, it was like I did oh, and also you have a negative feedback if you don't have enough coins, or here it's supposed to be not enough coins, but whatever. So yeah, the principle here is to use the persistent variable from the Meta Horizon system. If you have currencies and so on, maybe you want people to have your player to have a sort of reward every day if they connect, so you can use it um, as a good system maybe to enhance the replayability of your games. So here is for the few examples, and you will see there is few things you can change easily into the inspector of because I did a lot of parameters here. So a lot of, but also I try to stay synthetic with it. So you have the wheel ID, which is basically a link to the spin wheel data script, which I will show you pretty fast just after that. But the very important things here is to twist the spin duration, the spin turns. It will change for sure the duration of the animation and also the speed of the wheel. So just play with this and see which duration and speed do you like the most. I have this parameter is clockwise, is cursor spinning if you want it to be clockwise, or if you want the cursor to be spinning. Here I prefer the wheel to be spinning, so it's whatever you want. So just to go quickly, you have 10 quarter assets, which represent the portions you can have. So I needed to store them here, but if you need maybe, for example, a quarter of 12, 13, like this is the part of your wheel, you can add it into the script spin wheel. But yeah, for now, you can just have between 1 and 10 variables, 10 values for each wheel. And I think it's already good enough, but let me know if you have feedback on this also. Same for the icon. For now, I have just 2 icons, but we can pretty much easily add some icons on this grid. So it's whatever you need. Okay, so the other parameters are not so important. I will just show you quickly the spin wheel data, which is maybe the script you want to edit pretty soon if you are using it, because it tells you all the data about the wheel, and so to show you here, there is the first data that which correspond to the first wheel I designed, which is here. And so I can just add the value I want, so in numbers. You can add the color you want here, so I used constant variables to make the color, but you can also have the color all sets here for sure. So you can try to twist the few parameters here. It's fully customizable, and sometimes if you just want a pattern system, you just need, for example, to have 2 colors. So don't worry about not filling out all the color or all the variables. The main thing you need to know about is like depending on how long you have, how much variable you have, the wheel will be set up with this. So here is we have 4 variables, 4 values. And so with 4 values, I have a spin wheel within 4 quarters for sure. This one, I think it's 10, so the spin wheel will be of 10. This one is 9, I think. So try it, change, twist a few things. You can add, as I said, text or number. It's really easy to set up. You just edit it, save it, compile it, and it's all done. And then if you want to, I don't know, this one, you want to have the same wheel as I show you at the beginning, you just write down 1. You may need maybe to twist a few things like the text size, but look, it's the same. We just did the same of the first one, but just by twisting 2 variables here. So here is my submission for the Meta Horizon open source champion. So hope you enjoyed it and you will use it and make also your player enjoyed it. Quite excited to know about your creation so far. So see you guys.